Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another Tesla modification video. Today we are gonna install a Model Y rear reflector. Let's do it. So this is the current rear reflector on the Tesla Model Y. It is just a reflector, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace it with this one from Hanso Technology. It has a different pattern. As you can see, it's a fishbone pattern and is active. So it will blink and light up with the turn signals. Whereas this stock reflector is just a reflector. So this is the kit that comes with the entire package. So inside we have one of the reflectors, the two reflectors. So one for the left side, one for the right side, like that. And it comes with basically a Y cable. And this Y cable, what it will do is you connect the input to the turn signal on here, and then this will go to the regular turn signal on the Tesla Model Y, and then this will go to the reflector so that when you turn on the turn signal, this will also blink as well. This install is a little more involved than the typical Tesla modification, so you will need a couple of tools to help you with it. The first being some ply tools, because we're going to have to remove some panels, and this will help you remove some of the side panels. You can do it by hand, I suppose, but yeah, tools will make it a lot easier. So you're going to get some of this. I got it from Amazon or any automotive supply store. You can get it. Additionally, you're going to need some electrical tape. Yeah, you know. And lastly, this will really help, fishing wire. I mean, like, basically, we're going to be welding some cable through the car, so this will help us. This will make it a lot easier to pull the cables too. And so, again, I got this from Amazon. You could use a coat hanger, I suppose, but this will be a lot easier. I'll have links for all these accessories below this video. So, let's get started. So easy when you have the right tools. Check out the factory subwoofer. Cool, that's where the bass comes from. And I see the amplifier as well. Hanso also makes a subwoofer kit to drop in an aftermarket subwoofer in case the bass coming out of this subwoofer isn't, powerful enough. Move that. Okay. Yeah, that's enough to work with. Check out the charging cable that leads to the charging port. That's decent size right there. So yeah, the charging port's right here. Right here is the tail light control. So before we continue, we are going to test it out by removing it. There you go. There you go. Okay, so this now goes into the Y adapter. What does this mean? Only goes in one way. So, and then that goes back into the reflector. And then this goes into the reflector, goes into the tailbone reflector. So they only go in one way, so you can't really mess it up. See the red and black wire? Here's the red and black wire. And then you got this one. Okay, and I'm gonna turn on the turn signal to see if it works. Look at that, huh? Yeah, baby. It works. Yeah, if it doesn't work, then at this point, all the panels that we moved would have been a waste of time. Yep, both sides are working. Okay, now it's time to replace the factory reflector. So how we're gonna route this is we're gonna take this wire and we're gonna route it through this vent, which will go outside the car, and then we're gonna route it under the bumper and to here. And this is where this fish wire is gonna come in. There we go. Easy. Yeah, you'll want to start on this side because this clip slots in like that. So by popping it out, pulling it out like that, you're good. You don't want to start on this side because, like I said, this clip is incorrect. So start on the outer edge, pull out, then yank this way, and you won't damage the reflector at all if you want to replace it. This is going to go through this little hole. As you can see, it's pretty tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my drill and going to enlarge this hole. Don't worry about it. I mean, it's covered up by the reflector and it should be fine. There you go. Easy. To get access to this little vent that went to the outside, it comes out here. We're gonna remove this fender liner and then we'll be able to pull the wire through. Cool. Okay, this is where the little fishing wire is gonna come in. So we're gonna basically tie these down here, like so. Then we're gonna feed this through that hole there until it comes out. Then we'll look for it on the fender side. And there it is. Bingo. All right. So now we just pull it through. There you go. Okay, next step. Take the fish wire, plug it through here, and again, push it in. We're gonna route it through this bumper till it comes out here. Then we're gonna tie it to here, and then we're gonna pull it to the hole, and then we're gonna hook up our light. Okay. Okay. So now we just do the same thing on the other side, and then installation is complete. Ha 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 ha. One thing for sure, if you want to install this, definitely get one of these, because I can't imagine doing it with a coat hanger or any other thing. Yeah, I doubt I would be able to install it if I didn't have this. Here we go. Okay, let's see it in action. Okay, first of all, here we go. Brake lights. Now, brake lights. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. And the brakes. And I don't know how to turn on the hazard. I'm sure it's in there somewhere, but I'm sure it'll work. Okay, so that took a little longer than I expected. It is definitely a more involved project than any of the other Tesla mods I've done, but I think the final result is worth it. Links to this product is below this video. Enter coupon code John Chow for 15% off. And 15% off not just on this product, but 15% off on everything that Hanshow sells. And they do sell a lot of stuff. So do check it out and save yourself some money. And like I said, it looks pretty cool. And the reason I did this is because, well, frankly, there's like Model Ys everywhere. In California, you see us coming and going all the time. This here will definitely stand out. So yeah. Pretty cool, and get a sense of accomplishment too after doing all this. But yeah, definitely more involved, and I do recommend you definitely need one of these. So I'll have all the link to the accessories, the other stuff I use to install this below this video as well. So you definitely will need this electrical tape and the little thing to pull out the panels and stuff, in addition to the kit. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed that. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.